Hindi na dapat ginagawang tabu ang sex education sa bansa. Yan ang layunin ng isang summit na isinusulong ang pagkakaroon ng tinatawag na sexually respectful society. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Jazz Paredes.
Isang open yet informative discussion tungkol sa sex education ang inilunsad sa Philippine Sexual Wellness Summit 2025. Hindi lang matatanda ang dumula rito, kundi pati mga kids at teens rin. Hirap pa ring pag-usapan ang sex sa bansa, pero tinalakay ito sa ginanap na Philippine Sexual Wellness Summit 2025 nitong linggo. Layon ng summit na ito ang pagsulong sa more sexually respectful society.
So From Unbecoming was about letting go of this shame and guilt around sex, and now it's becoming, because once we've let go of that shame and guilt, we now become curious as children, confident as teens, and of course, respectful as adults.
At ang unang hakbang dito ay ang pagtuturo simula pagkabata ng tamang sex education sa pamamagitan ng age-appropriate activities.
The Kids Zone was designed and conceptualized with children ages 2 to 11 or 12 years old in mind. The idea was to present sex education concepts in an age-appropriate or developmentally appropriate way.
And stories, we used different stories. The one that we chose earlier is called Ako Ay Ako, so that they can feel safe about introducing themselves, their body parts. We want to emphasize that it's never too early to start actually that conversation. So we want to bring it a bit lower for them to understand.
Bukod sa awareness, ayon sa United Nations Population Fund o UNFPA, makatutulong itong i-address ang tumataas na bilang ng teenage pregnancy sa bansa.
Solving this issue is not just one sector's concern. It has to involve everybody, starting from the individual, to the household, to the community, and to the other players in the society. There is information and knowledge there that you can harness to be able to make more informed decisions.
Bukod sa mga workshop at talks na nagbibigay ng tips sa pagtuturo ng sex education sa mga bata, may mga booths at organizations din na nagpakita ng kanilang suporta sa layunin ng summit. May mga games, booths, freebies at libreng o bigay ni consultation din. Lahat ito ay isang collective effort para sa isang layunin.
The dream is for people to openly talk about sex, for CSE, Comprehensive Sexuality Education, age-appropriate comprehensive sexuality education to be implemented in all schools, and for people to understand that we are teaching them how to be respectful people.
Sex education is for all. Hindi dapat ikahiyaang magtanong o matuto tungkol sa ating katawan at kalusugan. Mobile Journal, Jazz Paredes po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.